Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 0. I'm joined by Fema Pradika Mawaru Puma Wupi.
Batungizoni phuma phema xaki.
Game ibone kanjani shaya?
Hayi bisharp game man.
Yeah.
Adlalile man uSibisi uyasikostanyana man.
Uyasikhosta
uSibisi. Timing unokuyiluza kancane man.
Yeah. Uyangithola?
Waye bangagayi uCM chance man nje kancane man.
Adlale nyana.
Yeah man.
Umadala no akalungise.
Makayibheke le ndaba le.
AFCON soyithatha?
Siyayithatha siyayilanda.
Yeah.
Siyayilanda.
Na kanjani?
Na kanjani?
Man of the match bekubani Rutmani?
Sigayi wa police man.
Police ne.
Yeah.
But ukhala ngoSibisi.
uSibisi asilimaza kancane man.
Odlela.
Yeah.
Abafaka uCM.
Mawufaka uCM man.
Athikhala phansi.
Yeah.
Sekamdala.
Likhehla man.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?